We hit the club and his cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the tea. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal.
Wait. The queen is back. Wait, the queen is back, y'all.
Cause to go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabian clubs.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Young Queen, aka K Shanice, and that's on period. And we're back bigger and better. Me have the plastic cabinet acting brand new. Bitches acting like they're running shit, they even run you.
Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this. Got to be more, sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed. Never fun is not the sabotage. This got to be more, been here before. Life's better outside.
I'm a outside, I'm a queen, yeah, I'm a princess, I'm a star, yeah.
Find something worth saving.
He said from Timo, and this is what I will be wearing. And y'all know it is pink. Anything that is pink, it is mine, not yours. Not yours. Anything that is pink, it's the queen home. It's mine. It's Young Queen, not yours. It's mine. And this is the top. Cute. Pink. Bright pink.
In this terror dome, all I see is everyone making us hysterical. 'Cause got to be more, sick of the side of mine. Intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed. No fun is not the sabotage. This got to be more than here before. Life's better outside. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, all be better outside. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
This is a spray, y'all, and I told y'all anything that has to do with pink, it is mine. Hey Young Queen Gang, so I know this video is short, but I will see you guys in my next video, which will be longer and better. Love you guys. Bye.